Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to invite friends on Bybit Exchange. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Bybit app and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see the option of refer to earn up to 665 USD with Bybit crypto trading. So you can either tap on this banner, or what you can do is on the home page you are going to see this invite friends option. So you can even tap on the invite friends option as well. Once done, you will be redirected on this page where it will say that you can earn up to 30% commission on a Bybit. So over here you just have to select the invite option. So you will have to tap on invite friends and then you are going to see your QR code as well as the coupon code. So you just have to copy this code and you just have to share it with your friends and family members, and this is how you can easily invite your friends on Bybit Exchange. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.